In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom single object reports in Hubspot. To begin, look at the main navigation in your Hubspot account. Find Reporting, then select Reports. This area is where you can view reports you already have, and it is also where you create new ones. Next, go to the top right of the screen and click Create Report. This opens the report builder and lets you choose how you want to build your report. Since we are creating a report based on just one type of record, you will build it from scratch using a single object. Under the Build from Scratch section, select Single Object. This choice is important because it keeps your data focused on one object only, like contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or another available object depending on your account. Now you will be prompted to select your object. Choose the object you want to report on, for example, contacts, then click Next. At this point, HubSpot will take you into the report editor where you define what data you want to see. To choose the information that shows up in your report, click Add Property. Properties are the data fields stored on that object, like life cycle stage, create date, owner, or other fields your team uses. Select the properties that match the goal of your report. A helpful tip is to keep your first version simple. Choose only the fields you need so your report is easy to read and faster to interpret. After you have selected your properties, click the Visualization tab. This is where you choose how the report will be displayed. Depending on what you are measuring, you may want a table for detailed lists or a chart style that makes trends and comparisons easier to see. Once you are in the visualization view, drag your selected properties into the displaying area. The order you place them in can affect how the report appears, especially in table views, so arrange them in a way that matches how you want to scan the information. When everything looks correct, click Save in the top right. Give the report a clear name so it is easy to find later, especially if your reporting library is shared with a team. Would you like to know how to filter this report so it only shows data from the current month? And that is all there is to it.